Hello everyone, my name is David from Litex, and today I want to show you how to make the taskbar on Windows 11 transparent. As you can see, it's not 100% transparency here, and unfortunately if we head into some settings on the Windows, can't really find a clear setting. As an example, taskbar behaviors can hide the taskbar, but it will not make it transparent. And I promise you, even if you search through all this, right now at this moment we don't have a setting, but if we search for transparency, make start taskbar and action center transparent, we'll find this setting. Make some window background slightly transparent. Mine is marked on. If I turn it off, you can see it's not a big difference. So I will leave it on off for now. And to make this process working, we'll have to search for a software which we can download free right in our Microsoft Store. So in the search bar, just go and search for Microsoft Store. I guess you already have an account on this one, as you have Windows working on your computer right now. So this app is free and you can use it right away. You have to search for translucent TB, one word, and let's see which one is the software. This is the one, translucent TB with the B icon. Let's press on get, and automatically, as this app will be downloaded and installed, you should see a big difference at your taskbar. So let's have a look. I have a pretty crazy internet here and should be downloaded pretty quick. Right now it's installing, it's already downloaded, and at any moment when it will be installed, my taskbar should have 100% transparency, and you should see through the apps, and you'll make this process working. Let's have a look. Press on this app and let's open it, and my taskbar is now transparent as I just click once on it. So this app is free to use, you don't have to donate, or also there is not a monthly fee in order to use it. I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. Don't forget to smash up the like button, and of course leave any comments in the comment section if you have any questions. Have a great day.